What's up, fam? Josh here from Money Talks Media. I'm genuinely glad that you're here, and I don't say that lightly. If you've landed on this channel, there's a really good chance that you're looking for clarity around money and truth. In this world, there is a lack of clarity about how money works, and the struggle comes from no one teaching how to live within the financial system. And for my story, I didn't learn that through a textbook. I've actually lived it. I still remember the first time I placed a stock trade. I took a deep breath, placed a trade, and then smiled at the email confirmation. And at that point, I was just excited that I did it. Not because I understood investing, risk, or allocations, but because I finally felt like I was doing something right with my money. And trust me, the real understanding did not come until I started working in corporate finance within wealth management and business banking. And at that point, that's when it clicked, because I saw how money moves behind the scenes and how decisions are getting made. But unfortunately, the financial systems reward some people and quietly punish others. But what I did was I blended that knowledge, carrying debt, and being scammed by people who I trusted. That feeling of being taken advantage of by systems that were supposed to help, that's when Money Talks Media was born. Because when you go through that kind of frustration, something changes. You either stay bitter or you get curious, and I chose curiosity. What I still struggle to realize is how so many hardworking people get told they're doing the right thing, but yet still feel stuck. That sad realization is what I saw firsthand about how confusing, misleading, and predatory the financial world can be. But instead of letting that break me, I decided to understand it. And while I'm understanding it, I felt a responsibility to explain it to you. I know there's a lot of YouTube gurus out there, but that's not what I'm here for. Everything you see on this channel is built on real experiences, real mistakes, and real lessons that I've learned the hard way. And those include investment strategies that actually make sense, financial moves for business owners and side hustlers, and exposure to scams and systems that quietly drain people's wallets every single day. If you want honest conversations about money and practical insights that you can apply, you're in the right place. Stick with me, and over time, you'll really start to see how the financial game is really being played. This is not so you can chase shortcuts, but so that you can make smarter decisions with your money. Always remember, money's always talking. You just have to learn to listen the right way.